No. Why is this happening to me?
Фотография твоя, горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра разбитая душа. Все твои обещания пустота.
Is anybody in that building?
We think there's a kid stuck on the second floor.
Hey, where you going?